Hi all, I am Yan Yan and welcome to my channel. And for today's video, this is my last day as a vacation. What? Ano sinasabi mo? This is last day ko na ngayon ng vacation ko. Kasi tomorrow is first day of school. First day of school na naman. Oh my god. Pasok na naman guys. Ano yun? Parang pumikit lang ako eh. Joke lang. So, today I prepared everything for tomorrow. Except I didn't prepare my school supplies. Pero meron naman ako school supplies. But as today, I'm gonna take a video, everyone. I take a video. This is for tomorrow. And today, the time is it's already 9:01. That's 9:01. It's 9:01 o'clock p.m. This is evening. And I'm going to prepare my school supplies in my bag. And I'm going to sleep. Because hindi pa okay yung body clock ko guys. Pero, let's go. Yes. Let's go. Hindi ayaw ko mapasok. Okay. Okay lang. Okay. As you can see there, that's my uniform. That's my uniform. I already iron it. Sister, na-iron ng plancha. Oh, that's right. Ironing. So, let's go. Hi, so I prepared everything. Like, I prepared it now. What? Okay, so see you tomorrow, guys. Bye. So hi everyone. Good morning. So it's already 5:16 a.m. and my classmate told me that English. Sinabi niya sa akin na magising kami ng hindi magising. Magkita kami ng 6 o'clock a.m. kasi hanapin daw namin yung section namin. Then I have my tea and biscuit because yun yung nasa nayan ko. So yun lang guys. See you later. Bye! Done tayo. So hi everyone. So for today's life update. Hindi kami mag-classmate ni Micaela Joyce. Magkapalit pa ako sa kanila.
Madidipres ka
Oo, madidipres talaga ako guys. Hindi na ako makahinga.
Yung nato sa akin.
Ang ini-ini. Walang pandan sa tapos na nag-agrat yung dito.
Sabado Lord.
Oh my God. Hi everyone. So flag ceremony ngayon. Flag ceremony. Flag ceremony. Pero ang init-init like oh my gosh. Hello everyone. So lunch na po namin. Then umuwi po ako. Kaya Micaela. Kasi yes. So, pag ako namatay dito, gusto kong maligo pero hindi dito maligo. It's so hot. Oh my gosh, parang hindi dito yung air, yung sun, like that. So is wala pa akong ka-close. Then si Micaela Joyce pa dito, nakakreate na siya ng circle niya. Sana all.
Yes, Jeremy, sabi mo, Valerie is nominated. Sabi mo, ah.
Valerie is nominated.
Good.
I gladly nominate Adriel.
Ano pangalan?
Adriel.
Adriel is nominated.
Nominated.
Adriel is nominated.
Meron kayo martilyo? Pukpuk mo sa ulo mo!
Magaling ka maningin? Yes. Okay.
Sakto na. The nomination for the position. Ano yung nominees? Nominate.
Para matapos na.
Parang... Radya! Dito ka sa harap!
God delivers also. Kind and God delivered, backstabber, then they call this cellphone.
Non-skip nga lang.
Yung sa ano? Yan. Pinabasa ko yun. Yung pinabasa ko. Yung mga malalim na word in English. Tira! Gusto ka naman ako. Laksa na. Diba?
Kasama ko po si Nicole. So, I'm here. Uy, na kami. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hi everyone. So, I'm in my house na. Nasa bahay na ako. And I want, oh my god, what is that face? Oh my gosh. So that's all. Thank you for listening to my vlog, guys. And thank you. Yes. Thank you everyone. This is my vlog. I am Yan Yan and this is my vlog. I'm making this video for memories because this is my last school as a high school student. So that's all everyone. Thank you. Goodbye. Bye bye guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.